Welcome back to Deano Doors. Today I'm gonna bring my family going somewhere, so we're gonna try catching some fish.
So we finally got some nice weather. The family and I were gonna head up to Miller Dam today, see if we can't catch some panfish. So come join us. Is everybody ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's catch some fish.
Woo.
All right, we made her out to Miller Dam. That's a good sign. There's a lot of vehicles out here, so the fish bite might be on.
Hey, pal.
So you ready to catch some fish, Isaac?
Maybe.
You're gonna catch the most or the biggest?
Probably.
How many do you think you're gonna get?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
You're probably gonna get 0.
I hope I catch something.
Well, I mean, you're probably gonna catch nothing unless you get good luck this time.
So you're gonna catch them all? Hope you catch a lot. Good luck.
Ice outside. Okay, Daddy?
What's happening in here?
We need to get a little ice outside.
I'm just cleaning out the holes.
Let's see how you do that. Good job. Let's get some fish. Maybe rigging up this little jig here. I'm gonna try big red worms. I heard they're supposed to work pretty good at this time. So we're just gonna take a little part of this worm and bait up. And give it a try. It's my first time trying worms through the ice, so we'll see what happens. Let's give that a try.
So we probably got tricked.
Possible. Well, I had 2 bites at the beginning.
Only one. But
Not-
I
not
lost
nothing.
track of it. Well, I didn't lose track of it. It just never comes back.
It's like they took it and they just spit it out. And they took it and they spit it out.
I know.
And
And
they're
then
tricking
it's like
us.
they took it, they run away. Sometimes you take it, they run away. Because once you start pulling on it, it's like they know. It's like when you don't move it, it's like they still know. It's just like they're smart fishies.
Oh yeah. They must have gone to college.
Who?
The fish.
Yeah.
Got the smart fish. They're college educated. It's a rough fishing today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we yelled on the hole. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Now they'll come.
No, they're not.
Maybe they're deaf.
Yeah, they're probably deaf. And they just can't hear us.
Can't hear me saying fishy, fishy.
I would have some crappie. Mama. If I...
Here, crappie, 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 crappie.
Maybe they're not deaf.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Well, it's not looking too good today. We've been out here for 2 hours now. Only had a couple bites. One on, lost them, small one. All the people out here, I figured there'd be a lot of action going on, but it's just such a nice day. I think people just want to get outside. Hey, we got one.
Hey!
Finally. Oh, look at this, guys. That's what I figured. Some small bites going on today. Just a little tiny perch.
Man!
Let's see that big bad boy.
Come on, guys. We got our first fish. Check that out, huh?
Wow,
at that.
that thing's massive.
I wish I could picture
That'll,
that on Facebook.
Feed a baby.
There you go. Our first fish of the day after 2 hours.
Good job.
Yeah, Dad.
Woo.
Nice one.
Daddy caught the first fish.
Yeah.
Careful.
Well, it was a rough day out on the ice today, and you can't expect to catch fish every day, but with all the people out here, we sure thought we were going to catch a few more than one perch, eh?
Well, yeah.
Did you guys have a good time?
Yeah.
I mean, at least we had fun and seeing you catching a fish, but I mean, the disappointing part, I mean, at least, I mean, it wasn't a keeper, but I wish it was.
Yeah.
I had two bites, but I couldn't get anything out of the hole.
Yeah.
It was nice. A nice
Well,
day to be out in the water.
At least we were able to enjoy it out on the ice with the family, and that's all that matters, right?
Yeah.
All right, put her there.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Bye.
Here's one way to get out on the ice. It's not every day you get to see a horse and buggy out on the ice. Way to end the day. We won't get too close and scare them. Pretty cool. These guys will probably catch more fish than we did.